Many times you've noticed that when you try to go to any specific screen in SAP system, like say this OBY6, system gives you this message that the data is logged by the user blah 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 and the screen can only be accessed for the purpose of display. What it means? This is not an error, it's just the message or the notification which system gives you when either you or someone else is accessing the same screen at the same time when you are trying to use it. What it means is, in SAP, one screen cannot be accessed by multiple people at the same time. I was getting the error or the message because the same screen OBY6 I had already opened on my another screen of the system. You can see the bottom right of my screen says the transaction code OBY6 because it was already open, and if I try to open the same screen once again, I can access the screen, but it will be just for the purpose of display. Now, how to get rid of this issue is, all you do is come out of the screen and then try again the same screen in the system and you will be able to access it. The second option to resolve the message is open the new screen and then go to the transaction code SM12, press enter, and then leave the user blank, press enter, and here you will see all the users who are currently using the system. All you need to do is select the user. Here we are to log the user out who has locked any specific screen. In order to unlock the screen, all you do is select the user, click on delete. Say yes, you want to delete the entry. Once the entry is deleted, you can again try to go to the same screen and then system will allow you to not only access the screen, but you will be able to edit the screen as well. Thank you.